So hello guys, welcome back with another video in Electronic Studio. So today in this video we are going to learn how to create a project in Keil Microvision 5 using the STM32 IDE. So we need this to create a project. That's why, because if we want to create a project in our Keil IDE, so there we are not able to use the HL library because internally there is no option is there to download the libraries. So what we will do, with the help of this STM32CubeMX software, we will create a one project with the inbuilt HL libraries also. So what we have to do, we have to go in our CubeMX software. This link I will provide in the description box also. From there also you can download. Then you have to go to the file. Then you have to click it on the new project. So now what you have to do first, if you have it's your dependency what you want to select. You want to select this board selector, I mean full board you want to select, and MCU you want to select. So here I am going to select the MCU. So my part number of the MCU is the STM32 F103 C8 T6. This one I am going to use. So first one we have to select this one. Now we will click on the start project. The top side one button is there, start the project. We have to select here. So now you can see here this UI part is opened. If you want to select any pins, like for example I'm going to use some TXRX pins are there. So okay, otherwise I'm leave it about TXRX. I'm going to use here this port B and port B, this both 6 and 7 pins I'm going to use. This port B7 pin number is the SD I am selecting, and this one I am selecting as a SCL. Okay, so now what you have to do here, also you have to select some few things. In RCC you have to go here, you have to select the ceramic crystal, and one more thing, here you have to select the serial wire. Okay, now you have to go this clock configuration top side. Here you have to put the 72. This is the maximum clock frequency of this controller. You have to go here. Now after that you have to select here which tool chain you want to use for the creating the project. Means if you want to open the project in direct STM32, or you want to open this project in the STM32 Microvision. So here you can see this one option is there, Toolchain and IDE. Here is already selected in the STM32. So means another toolchain. So here we will select the MDK arm. Once we will select this one, then we have to click on this top side one button is there, generate code. Okay, after clicking on this code, automatically our Microvision software will open. See, till now bottom side you can see I didn't open the software. This is our software. Now I am going to open creating this project. So here we have to give a project name our, like one name I am giving here, TRIAL, means trial underscore one randomly name I am giving, and location we will find. So we'll open this project in our desktop. Here I will open one new folder. That folder name is a KEIL. Okay, inside this one I will give this directory, and after that we have to select this MDK then generate code. So now some files are generating, and with this one code also generating. Then if you will open this, automatically it will open in the Microvision IDE. There HL library also will download. So like this guy you can create your project. If you will open this application user code, just click it on this main.c file. This code is generated. What are the pins we have selected? Based on this code has been generated. Some clock frequency, based on the clock frequency some code has been generated, and I2C pins also has been generated that we have selected in the UI format. So like this you can do your work. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for visit Electronics Studio. Before leaving, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.